Welcome back. Still clinging on to that 5400 mark on the Nifty. Mid-cap index still down about 0.3%. Volumes are slightly higher than what we saw yesterday. We've done about 81,000 crores. Advanced decline ratio stands at 1:2. One big mover of the day is Techno, Electric and Engineering. Prakash Gupta, the MD of the company, now joins us. Afternoon, Mr. Gupta, and thanks for joining us. First, could you tell us, for your wholly owned subsidiary Simran Power project, your require equity, how is it being funded? Is IFC one of the players from which you will be getting in the money?
Yeah, ma'am, you are right. We are adding another 200 megawatt in this subsidiary, which has presently 50 megawatt in operation. The phase 1 is 125 megawatt, which is funded by 250 crore of equity and 450 crore of debt. The 250 crore equity is brought by the parent company and IFC. IFC is taking exposure to the extent of $15 million US, apart from debt of $40 million.
Right. Sir, can you just highlight what sort of capex you have planned and what would be the entire requirement of funds, and maybe even how you're possibly going to fund the entire capex?
Yeah, it is in two parts. The total is 1150 crores. The phase 1 is 700 crores, funded by 450 crore of debt and 250 crore of equity. The 450 crore of debt is provided by IFC along with Standard Chartered Bank and DBS.
Okay.
The phase 2 is 450 crore to be funded by equity of 150 crore and debt of 300 crores. On that, we are started talking to the institutions now, which we will achieve the financial closure by June end.
Okay, sir, can you just highlight what your total debt on books would then be?
The debt on books by March and 12, when all these projects will be fully commissioned, on a consolidated basis will be 750 crores.
Okay. And when will all this capacity expansion come on stream for your wind power? When will it generate revenues, and how will your financial performance look like?
Yeah, the phase 1 is already now getting into commissioning in this month, with 26 megawatt getting commissioned by March end, and progressively 125 megawatt commissioning will happen by June end. And the phase 2 commissioning is to be achieved by December end.
So how are you doing in terms of quarterly, in terms of Q4 in particular? Because your net sales were down around 9% to 153 crores in Q3. What could we possibly expect you to end FY11 with?
You see, F11 will be more or less like F10, but 11-12 will be a better performance because of this capacity expansion, as well as our new orders which we have booked on the EPC side in Q4, which is about 250 crores.
So what is your total order book in EPC?
It is presently about 1,400 crores now with us.
Okay. And when you say that your FY12 revenue picture will look better, how much will you do?
This year our estimated revenue is about 750 crore as a whole year. We should grow to about 900 plus next year.
All right, Mr. Gupta, thank you for joining us. So that is on Techno, Electric and Engineering. Lots happening in their wind power space. IFC will be putting in money via equity and debt to enable their expansion plans. Let's get into a very short break. Markets still stable.